Hello, my name is Katie. I am a model for Ellen Wille and also a fan of the products. Wigs made of prime and human hair are great luxury items. A regular upcoming question is how to clean them and which care products to use. In this video, I will tell you what to pay special attention to and share some insights on how to care for your hair. Ellen Wille wigs from prime hair and human hair are high-quality items and a piece of real craftsmanship. One of the most frequently asked questions is, how often should I wash my wig? Of course, it depends on how often you use it. If you wear your wig daily for several hours, I recommend 1 or 2 times a week. Comb the wig with a brush with rounded bristles before washing. With long hair models, start carefully at the tips of the hair. Human hair and prime hair wigs are washed on a styrofoam head. Attach the needle here to the side and here in the neck part. Please only use special wig shampoos, such as the Ellen Wille Expert Care products. Conventional hair shampoos are a no-go for wigs. The ingredients are not suitable for human hair and caps. First, we moisten the human hair wig under running lukewarm water. Use about a half cupful of Ellen Wille human hair shampoo per wash. Always work in the wig shampoo, from the roots to the tips. That was the first round. It doesn't take any longer. No application time, no waiting. The human hair shampoo is self-cleaning. It simply dissolves dirt and residues on hair and cap. On the next stage, the Ellen Wille human hair balm is used. We apply another half cupful of the balm from the root to the tips of the hair. The balm strengthens the human hair and ensures that it remains wonderfully combable and supple. Rinse thoroughly and gently dab with a towel. Place the wig on the styrofoam head to dry. With every 4th care, you replace the balm with the Ellen Wille Hair Recovery Mask. It maintains the hair's suppleness, makes it resistant and easy to shape. The Ellen Wille Recovery Mask is now applied for 10 minutes. Then rinse the wig thoroughly under lukewarm water. Let the human hair wig dry. Afterwards, straighten and style the hair according to your ideas. Another tip: if you are in a rush, I recommend the Ellen Wille Current Repair Spray. It makes the hair supple and easy to comb. Just put a few sprays of it into your damp hair, and you're done. You don't have to wash it out afterwards.